Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. The best recipe box dividers available in the market, the 24 recipe card dividers 4x6 with tabs by Fancyland. These dividers are designed not just to organize your recipes, but to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen setup. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, staying organized is key to creating culinary masterpieces without the hassle of searching through endless stacks of recipes. Let's talk about what makes these dividers stand out. Crafted from durable 350 grams cardstock, they're built to last, ensuring you'll have them around for many cooking adventures to come. With a vibrant watercolor design, they not only look fantastic but also come with 14 pre-labeled tabs covering everything from appetizers to desserts, ensuring you can find what you need at a glance. And for those unique recipes or personal touches, you also get 10 blank dividers to customize however you like. It's a thoughtful touch that adds versatility to your recipe organization. Imagine spending less time searching for recipes and more time doing what you love cooking. These dividers are here to make that dream a reality. Whether you're looking to streamline your recipe collection or searching for the perfect gift for a cooking enthusiast, these dividers from Fancyland are a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description to get your own set of the 24 recipe card dividers 4x6 with tabs and start organizing your kitchen today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.